Things you didn't know you could make with Canva, Part 98.
Did you know your QR code can be used for text messages instead of sending someone to a website? And you can do it for free right inside of Canva. Let me show you. We all know the drill. Scan a QR code, land on a website or a lead magnet, and hope the person actually reads it. But QR codes can also open a text thread with a message already filled in for them, ready to go. All they have to do is hit send. For this method to work, instead of entering a website link, you're going to enter some special text. And it looks like this: SMS, your phone number, a question mark, the word body, an equal sign, and then your message will follow. Make sure there are no spaces in this entire text thread. Next, go to the Apps section in the left-hand sidebar and search for QR code. There are a bunch of different QR apps that you could use. Just pick your favorite. Instead of entering the URL for a website, you're going to copy and paste that entire text block. Then click Create QR Code. I have already created one for myself, and I have it on my Canva Shortcuts card that I hand out to people. It says, scan to have your free guide sent via text message. With the QR code ready to go, all they have to do is open their camera and scan the code. You can see my name shows a preview here, and when I tap on it, it opens my messages with that text already written out. Then all I have to do is tap send. A regular QR code ends the interaction. It sends someone off to read something. This method starts a conversation instead, which already puts you a step ahead of a plain old website link. Here are some additional ways that you could use this. Go ahead and screenshot so that you can save it for later. Now, if you have an iPhone, I want to show you how to take that even further. You can create an automation on your phone that will automatically respond anytime someone sends you that text message. Open the Shortcuts app on your phone, tap Automation at the bottom, and then New Automation. Scroll down to Message and tap on Message Contains. Type in the exact phrase from your QR code. This tells your phone which text to auto-reply to. Next, choose Run Immediately, and then select Next. On this screen, click Create New Shortcut. Select Send Message. Now this time, add your reply. Tap on the message field and write your auto-reply. For the recipient, don't type anything. Instead, press and hold, and a new menu pops up. Select Shortcut Input. Now tap on it and change it to Sender. This is the part that makes sure your reply goes back to the exact person who sent the text and not some random contact. Then click the blue check mark to save it. Now when someone scans that QR code and sends the text message, the automation will run and reply to the text. That means the conversation will happen even when you're busy, asleep, or elbow deep in a Canva project. So the next time you're creating a promotion, a flyer, or an invite, skip the plain website link. Give people a QR code that starts an actual conversation. And if this just blew your mind, tell me down in the comments below.